Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google Pay account. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, go ahead and open up your Play Store so we can download the Google Pay app. Use the search bar right here and type down Google Pay. Okay, tap on it, wait for it to load. So as you can see here, we don't have Google Pay, as Google Pay is restricted only to specific regions like US, India, and Singapore. If you reside on those regions, well, you can just go ahead and download Google Pay. If not, your option is Google Wallet. Okay, it's just basically the same. You can go ahead and use NFC right here, as you can see. QR code scanning as well. Well, just go ahead and install it. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, it will ask you to sign in with one of your Google accounts. So just go ahead and log in, and then after that, you can now go ahead and click on View Wallet. You'll be able to see your dashboard right here, and you could also add a shortcut to your device to quickly pay and use your passes. Okay, if you want this option, go ahead and follow simple prompts from here. Okay, and on next, next, next. All right. Now, what you got to do next is just go ahead and basically add in your payment card or update your payment method. Add a card right here. If you already have a payment option under your Google account, well, you can just go ahead and select that option. All right. And after that, you should be good to go. And that's just how easy it is to create a Google Pay account. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.